Hey there folks, this is the AutoSpin Router from CNC Labs. The classic CNC router, only better. Let me tell you why. First off, automatic power on and off. When you click Start Job, the AutoSpin automatically powers on with it. No extra hardware, no complex wiring, just power, click, go. And hey, if you want mode options, AutoSpin gets it. With the twist of the non-slip dial, AutoSpin changes to manual mode. Or throw it into spindle mode and let your G-code handle the RPMs. Best of both worlds. And let's be honest, how many of us actually know how to program a VFD anyways? With the AutoSpin, no VFD needed. It's got closed loop speed built right in. So when your cuts get tough, your speed stays steady and your cuts stay clean. It's plug and play ready on most hobby grade CNCs. Install into a standard 65mm router mount, plug in 2 cables, and you're good to go. Whatever brand CNC you're running, install is simple and convenient. AutoSpin delivers tight, precise cutting thanks to ER11 precision collets. Whether you're using 1/8" or 1/4" end mills, you get low runout and high accuracy. That means crisp edges, less wobble, and better final products. And for a little router, it's a real powerhouse. Up to 1.25 horsepower and 10 to 30,000 RPM. Lightweight enough for hobby rigs, strong enough for serious production work. And inside this thing, it's built to last. Sealed low friction bearings by NSK keep it running cool and smooth. No worrying about dust ruining your bearings or heat cooking your motor. So whether you want full CNC automation or that old school hands-on feel, AutoSpin gives you choice. CNC controlled precision or manual dial-in control. Flexible, dependable, uncomplicated. Just like a good tool should be. Simple, solid, smart. That's the AutoSpin.